Hi friends, so this video shows how to install Play on Linux on Ubuntu. So we have two options. Option 1, we can run this command. We can install Play on Linux using apt package manager. Just run this command apt install Play on Linux. Option 2, open Ubuntu software, click on this icon, then search for Play on Linux. Click on this search button, then search for Play on Linux. And click on this, then you can click on install to install Play on Linux. You can see the size of that file, that program. Let me click on install and enter the password. See, now it's installing Play on Linux. Here you can see the version 4.3.4. So looks like it's not installing. Oh, okay, started. Okay, installation completed. So let me close this. Then click on this show applications, then search for Play on Linux. Click on this icon. So this is the application. Then let me click on install. So here you can see the categories, accessories, development, education, game, graphics. So actually it's loading the list. So here you can see a list of Windows applications. So let me install one. Let me select Sunzip, then click on install. Next, next. Click on next. Click on install. Okay, done. Close it. You can see 7zip here. Click on run. Yeah, it's working. So this way we can install Play on Linux on Ubuntu and install Windows applications and run it.